friends, here in this video we see another short method where the function contain of the type x into v. V is any function of x. If we take the derivatives of the term x into v equal to first function x derivative of v plus derivative of x is 1 into v. Second derivative of x into v equal to first function as it is into derivative of this. So we have d2v plus 1 into dv plus derivative of this dv. This is equal to derivative of v equal to x into d2v plus 2 into d into v. Okay. So whenever we have third derivative, when we obtain the third derivative, we get x into d cube v plus 3 into d square v. Likewise, if we continue in this manner, d raised to n into xv equal to x into d raised to n into v plus n into d raised to n minus 1 into v. So we get this term, or we write this as x into d raised to n into v plus n into d by d with respect to capital D of d raised to n here. Okay, so operating on v, we can write this as derivative of d raised to n. Now adding all these terms, if we add all these terms, here we get a function f of d x into v equal to x into f of d operating on v plus here we have f dash of d operating on v. We get this equation f of d operating on xv equal to x into f of d v plus f dash of v. Now here if we put f of d into v equal to another terms v1, then you can see we have v equal to 1 upon f of d operating on v1. So let us put this value. You can see f of d operating on x into what is v? V is now 1 upon f of d into v1 equal to x into f of d into v, as this is my new term v1, plus f dash of d into v 1 upon f of d into v1. This is my new term. Okay, so this is the new equation. Now let us operate f of d on both sides. 1 upon f of d on both sides, operating 1 upon f of d. Then f of d and f of d get cancelled and we get x into 1 upon f of d into v1. 1 upon f of d into v1 equal to 1 upon f of d x into v1 plus here you can see 1 divided by f of d operating on f dash of d into 1 upon f of d into v1. So in short, you can see that we have firstly taken the derivative of x into v, first function into derivative of second plus derivative of first into second function. Applying the same rule, we arrive at this equation f of d into x into v x into f of d into v plus f dash of d into v. Then we have substituted f of d into v equal to v1 or v equal to 1 upon f of d into v1. Now here let us proceed for the next steps. You can see here we have applied. Now transfer this term to this side here and we get this 1 upon f of dx into v1. So 1 upon f of d x into v1 equal to x into 1 upon f of d into v1 minus 1 upon f of d f dash of d 1 upon f of d into v1. Okay, so let us take common these operators 1 upon f of d v1 2, then we have x minus 1 upon f of d into f dash of d operating on 1 upon f of d into v1. So this is my new short method of operating 1 upon f of d or finding a particular integral when the right hand side of linear differential equation is of the type x into v1. So here we see examples how to apply this short method to find the solution of differential equation. So let me write first that method in short so that we can apply. What is method? 1 upon f of d operating on x into v equal to x minus 1 upon f of d into f dash of d operating on 1 upon f of d into v. This is the method. So let us consider an example. d2y by dx square plus 1 equal to x into e raised to 2x xy. Then you can see that here auxiliary equation is my auxiliary equation m square plus 1 equal to 0, m equal to plus or minus I, and complementary function equal to c1 cos of x plus c2 sin of x. Now particular integral equal to 1 upon d square plus 1 operating on x into e raised to 2x equal to. So let us apply this operator x into v. Then what we get here? X minus 1 upon d square plus 1 into derivative of d square plus 1, that is 2d into 1 divided by d square plus 1 e raised to 2x, okay, equal to x minus 1 divided by d square plus 1 2d into, let us operate here. How to operate this 1 upon f of d on e raised to x? I have short method 1 upon f of d e raised to ax equal to 1 upon f of a e raised to ax. So a is 2. Let us put here 2 and we get 2 square 4 plus 1 e raised to 2x. Now this is equal to, so we have x into 1 divided by 5 e raised to 2x minus 1 divided by d square plus 1 2d operating on 1 divided by 5 e raised to 2x equal to x into 1 divided by 5 e raised to 2x minus 1 divided by d square plus 1. This 2 divided by 5 into derivative of e raised to 2x is 2 into e raised to 2x equal to x into e raised to 2x divided by 5 minus 4 divided by 5. 4 divided by 5 and operate this d square plus 1 into e raised to 2x. This is equal to x into e raised to 2x minus, this is again what, 4 plus 1, 5. 4 into e raised to 2x divided by 5, 25, and here is 5. Okay, so e raised to 2x into what we get here, if we write 5 here, then x minus 4 divided by 5. This is the solution, particular integral, and complete solution is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So friend, I hope you have get the idea of how to find the particular integral of the function where the x term is of the type x into v. Thank you for watching the video.